Hello, everyone. Hello, friend. I hear the Lord say, do not do things the way the other people do them. Yes, you are new where you are, and it's new terrain and it's new territory. Don't do things the way it's done or the way everyone else is doing everything. Do things the way that I reveal to you, that I, the Lord, reveal to you to do them. Do not go by what has been done before by the others. Go by your boldness and what I reveal for you to ask for, and you will find a different favor. You will find a different way to navigate than they did, because you didn't follow what the others did before them. You carved out a new way for you to access favor in this new territory and this new terrain that you are in. Don't do what the others did before you. Don't do what is being done and how it's done. Do the way that you would do it, the way that I, the Lord, reveals for you to do it, he says. And you will find favor, great favor. You will find unprecedented favor, more than all the others that came before you. Heed, stay blessed and be blessed. I'll talk to you again next time.